Who's your bet?
Tumuran!
Fourth runner-up. Inside your bet.
First.
Alright, for the fourth runner-up goes to Daang Bantayan Chapter.
Si Pink Panther! Alright, teachers ha?
Fourth runner-up
Okay, congratulations. So, for our third runner-up, hello, who's your best? Hello, ang mga angkol mo, yung manilong. Alright, for the third runner-up, goes to San Remigio Chapter. Isa paliw niya kay Gusto Saya. Yan, isa paliw. Sure. Okay, congratulations. So for the second runner-up, alright, maka-receive siya o cash, certificate and such. So for the second runner-up goes to Bilier Chapter!
Tumuran ka! Laro na tumuran!
Who's your bet? Alright, for the first runner-up, kung sa may madawat na design, makalawat sa siya o cash, sash o certificate. So ang ato ang first runner-up goes to Tatugon Urban Chapter.
Okay, congratulations. So may I request our lovely board of judges to come on stage for the giving of prizes. Please.
Tumuran!
Right, guys! What's your bet? Isa? Bugot? Kuran? Compostela? Alright, for the Miss Sebenya Sports Fans
Guys, isa ka sa imutan. Ulan ka ba? Kwarta, kwarta!